Let me show you two different ways how to add more apps to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So the easiest way is if you simply grab your phone and open the Play Store on your phone. Then simply enter the app you want to install on it. So for example, and in this app, you want to click here on this tiny arrow. Click here, and you see you can also select it to be installed on your watch. So if you click install, not only it will get installed on your phone, but also on your watch. If the app is currently already installed on your phone, so for example, if I open Maps, you will see also a button here that you can install here on your watch. So you can also click that. But yeah, for example here, if you select it here, install, not only it will get installed on your phone, but you will see shortly, I see it also starts to download. Okay, so this tiny icon on the bottom. I see it also is now downloading on your watch as well. And once the app installs, it will simply get placed in your all app list. Then if you want to install and add apps without your phone, you can simply swipe up and find your Play Store. And I see you have search here. Also, we have, I see, different categories of apps that you can install, for example, on this watch. So we can simply go in the search and search for the app that you want to find. Okay, and you see you have the install button. So we click it. If you want to see the progress better, you can click on the app and they'll show eventually the size. So it's a bit slow to download. So you see it's not downloading. And yeah, once it finishes downloading, it will get placed on your watch. And if you open all your apps list, it will get simply placed at the very end there. Good luck.